Welcome on the Hard Reset Tricks channel, and today I'm gonna show you a few display tricks that you should try on this device, and this is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Enjoy! So I'm gonna show you all of the features that you can use to customize your display. It's all based on my personal use of this device, so let's get started by opening the settings, then scroll down a little bit and move to the display. And here you can see all of the features that you can use to set up few things on your display, and let me show you the most important ones. So at first let's get into the motion smoothness, and this is very important setting. With years of experience in tech tutorials, I know that some of people miss this option, so let's make sure that you won't. In this setting you can use adaptive or standard screen refresh rate. On the preview here on the top you can see the difference between the adaptive and standard screen refresh rate. So on the left it's more smooth and clearly scrolling is better, so that's because it uses 120 Hz refresh rating. The standard option uses only up to 60 Hz, so this is a very low amount, and you should get into these settings and change it to adaptive. So yeah, then of course tap on apply. That was the first one, and now let's move on. So on the top of these settings you can see the light and dark mode. You can change it manually. I like doing this this way, but you can always get into the dark mode settings and turn it on as scheduled. So now you can choose two options, sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. So custom to sunrise is obviously at the sunset you will be turned on to light mode, and on at sunrise to dark mode. But you can always choose the custom schedule and set the exact time between which your dark and light mode will be switched. So yeah, but I like it using manually because I used to it. So let's move on. I'm sorry, let's get into the display one more time. Here you can see the camera cutout. So the camera cutout is this icon of your front camera. You can show it or hide it, depends on your preferences. So you can choose any of application that you wish to use. As you can see, as a default it is set up an auto, but if you don't want to look for example on the Chrome on Cutout, so you can hide it. I can show you how it works. So I get into the Chrome browser. No thanks. And as you can see, I have the camera cutout hidden. If I switch to the show camera cutout, it will look like this. So you can choose how you like it. Of course, after that, let's get to the another thing, and this is a screen timeout. So this is a time after which your screen goes dark after of inactive time. So most of the people uses something between 30 seconds and 2 minutes, but you can choose whatever you want. From my experience, the best is 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm using right now the 10 minutes because I'm recording this video. Of course you can enable this setting here. It's keep screen on while viewing, so keep the screen on while you are looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. This is a helpful option, but it's not that good, because if you want to just look at your phone when it's locked, it won't lock. So that's it. And now you can think about these two settings here. This is accidental touch protection, so this is the very cool option to have, because as you can know, we always misclick something while our phone is in the back or pocket, so this won't happen if you enable this option here. And the second option is touch sensitivity, so if you have a screen protector on your screen, then it will increases the touch sensitivity of the screen, so it's worth to use it. I don't have the screen protector, so I'm not gonna enable it. And after that we can move on to the next thing, and this thing you can find in, I guess it was a cover screen, not here, lock screen. Let me give a second, because sometimes it's not that easy to find the proper option. So yeah, this is in this option, and this is advanced features. So if you are in the bus, or you only have one hand available at the moment, and your hands are small like me, so you may have a problem to reach all of the corners of your screen, then very helpful is the one-handed mode, so you can enable it here. So let me enable it and get into the options here. You can reduce display size with gestures or button, depends on your preferences. I like to use a gesture because I leave double tapping the home button for another option. So let me stay with the gesture. It works like this, so you have to place your finger on the home button and then swipe down like this. Then you will find this small window, and you can of course do whatever you want with it. You can a little bit make it smaller or bigger. You can move it around the screen. If you want to quit this mode, you just need to tap on the empty field here, so it's very useful option. Yeah, remember that this video is not sponsored in any way, so my opinion is very honest to you, and I always test these steps myself before sharing. So I think that would be all. Leave a comment, like, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye, see you again.